I'm Elad Sapir. I'm the CEO of Cuspa. Cuspa is a startup based in Israel. We founded it in 2020. We are in the R&D preclinical stage, focused on structural heart, transcatheter aortic repair device. Our regulatory path is a PMA Class 3, and we are targeting a first-in-human in 2025. Aortic valve disease are divided to main two segments, AS, aortic stenosis, and AR, aortic regurgitation. The main differentiation is that the aortic stenosis patients have classification that limit the movement of the cusp of the valve. The aortic regurgitation does not have classification, but have a deformation of the cusp that create blood leakage. Today, there are transcatheter aortic valve replacement devices that are designed for AS, aortic stenosis patient. They are not designed for AR patient. That depends on positioning and maintaining contact with the classification that AS patients have. Hence, you cannot use them for AR in a safe manner, and obviously, it's not indicated for that. This leads to an absence of transcatheter treatment for AR patient. Our solution is the Cusper. The Cusper is a repair device for the aortic valve, and it's positioned on one of the cusp and moves together with it. It has two main components. One is the nitinol clip, and the other is a conical sleeve made of biological material. In this animation, you can see a steerable introducer introducing the Cusper to the aortic valve and positioning it on one of the cusp. The physician exposed the Cusper from the capsule in the tip of the steerable introducer, and automatically the clip is opening and allow positioning of the grasping arm on one of the cusps in the desired location. It can maneuver to a different location as needed, and once the physician is happy with the positioning, it's released the Cusper, the arm is clipped, and instantly the implant prevents leakage versus the position it was before. Here we can see an animal valve with one of our Cusper design mounted on it, and you can see how the implant is moving together with the cusp and preventing the leakage of the blood. Okay. In this movie, you can see before and after with AR and with the Cusper, and how the functionality of the implant prevent the blood leakage when the cusp are not seamlessly closed. Our animal data have been published in the Eurointervention magazine and won the Best Flashlight Award in the EuroPCR conference. Today, we already have a follow-up of animal data up to 120 days. The implant function as desired. We haven't seen thrombotic event. And here in this movie, you can see on the right side the 3D echo where the implant is mounted in the cusp. And on the left side, you can see in fluoroscopy the aortic valve and visibility of the clip on one of the cusps. The AR market have a significant increased focus in the last couple of years. There are two main companies that are pursuing FDA approval. One of them, JenaValve, was just recently acquired by Edwards Lifesciences for nearly $1 billion, but they are focusing on AR replacement. We are focusing on repair, which is a different strategy for treating the patient in different stages of the disease. We think that our solution will allow a wider population of patients where we are having less anatomical constraint for using the implant versus the replacement device. And more importantly, it doesn't prevent future treatments, whether it is surgical treatment, as these patients are being treated today, or in the future, transcatheter treatment replacement, where the implant can be stayed as it is and the replacement be introduced. Our total addressable market opportunity that we estimate is over $1.5 billion in the US and a little bit more than 4.5 globally. Our IP portfolio cover includes family of patents. We have 2 granted patents in US and Japan, and other in advanced stages that will be granted very soon. Our team have different expertise in medicine, R&D, management, financing, and many years of experience in total. Our timeline today, in 2024, we are focused on completion of the design and reaching out to starting the validation, targeting for the first in human next year, followed by a full study, pilot, and a pivotal study for regulatory purposes. Today, we are raising money for our first-in-human effort, and I will be happy to discuss that for anyone who would like to discuss it and can reach me out afterwards. Thank you very much. Appreciate the opportunity.